Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to sync Quest 2 controllers. First, make sure your Quest 2 headset is powered on and has at least a 50% charge. Next, gently slide off the battery cover on the controller you want to pair. Insert a brand new AA battery, ensuring the positive and negative ends align correctly. Then, press and hold the Oculus button on the controller for about 2 seconds. Once you've held the Oculus button, the controller's LED light will start blinking, signaling it's ready to pair. Now, put on your Quest 2 headset. You should see a prompt on your screen asking to pair the new controller. Navigate to the Devices section in your headset's Quick Settings, then select Controllers and choose Pair New Controller. Confirm the pairing when the option appears. If your controller isn't syncing, don't worry, there are a few simple fixes. First, try restarting both your Quest 2 headset and the controller. Sometimes a quick reboot resolves minor glitches. Also, double-check the battery. A low battery can prevent proper pairing. Make sure there are no large objects between your headset and controller that could interfere with the signal. To ensure a stable connection, always keep your Quest 2 headset software up to date. Updates often include performance improvements and bug fixes. Also, store your controllers in a safe place to prevent accidental button presses that can drain batteries. Regularly clean the tracking rings with a soft, dry cloth to maintain optimal tracking accuracy and responsiveness.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.